Mush here. So today for our clay project, we are gonna make a little s'mores character. You can't go camping without s'mores. So let's get to it. All right, so I mixed this clay. I mixed it with a little bit of yellow and a little bit of brown to get the graham cracker color. And then I ran out of brown, so I mixed orange with a little bit of black to get the chocolate color. But if you have brown, use brown, okay? So this project is really simple, all right? So we're gonna take this clay and we're gonna make a square out of it, okay? Because this is the graham cracker, okay? Now, unfortunately for me, I've never really had a true s'more because I'm allergic to chocolate. Dun, 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 yes, it's true. I'm allergic to chocolate, amongst other things, all right? So don't worry, Charlie Dog always takes care of me. He always makes sure that everything is Mr. Mush safe. And Siler's working on something that we can just scan the food to make sure we don't even have to check the ingredients, because the scanner will just check and be like, okay, Mr. Mush can't have this, okay? So I'm gonna make a square like this, okay? Just like that. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? You can just try your best, all right? Then we're gonna do the same thing for the chocolate, but we need to make it a little bit smaller to have it layered in, and it should kind of feel like it's like steps working up to something, okay? So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna make my square, okay? I think that's pretty good, all right? Now, I'm gonna put this on top, just like that, so there you go. Okay, now, my favorite part of this project is making the little marshmallow, okay? And it's really easy, just take off, you know what? Let's make our marshmallow really big, okay? So just roll up, and we wanna make a cylinder. A small, short, chubby cylinder like this, okay? And then we just roll it in our hands like we're rolling a coil, and then we press down on the top and the bottom like this, okay? Just like that. And then we put it on top, and there we go. But to make it a little bit more fun, we're gonna give our s'mores, our marshmallow, a face. And you know I like to do the closed eye happy look. So I'm doing the little black rainbow or frown, whatever you want to call it, for his eyes, like this. You can use googly eyes, you can use whatever you want. And then I'm gonna give him a smile, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna give him a little red to show that he's like blushing like tee hee hee hee. I'm a little s'more. Okay, I'm gonna smush that on right there, like this, okay? And if you wanna give it arms, you can, okay? And then the last part, this is optional, okay? Take some more of the color that you had for the graham cracker that we're imitating, okay? And you can make it as big as the bottom, or you can make it a little smaller. I'm gonna make it a little smaller because I want it to feel like it's a little hat, okay? So I'm pressing down on my table to help make the sides, and I want it to be a square, okay? Just like this, all right? So, let's put it on the top, just like this. And there you go. Here's our little s'more guy. All right, so with that being said, I would love to see your little s'more character and see what you did to it. Remember, I'm just showing you how to get started. You add what you want to add to it. Make it your own. Don't just do what Mr. Mush does. I want you to feel like you're a true artist. Take creative liberties and do that. All right, so don't forget to upload it to MrMushMakes.com. I'd love to see what you created. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. All right, until next time. Peace.